Good day, y'all. Today is October 8th. We are up in the White Mountains, stuck in the canyon. Not really stuck, we decided to drive here. It's really cool. We're getting ready for the trilobite hunt.
I'm reading a book about California minerals so I can learn more.
She's reading. Lily's sleeping. Cuckoo's doing his cuckoo thing. You ready to go for a walk and find trilobites? Wanna go find trilobites?
Trilobite.
Rar. He's speechless. He doesn't know.
Face.
But anyways, we're gonna spend a couple of days up here because it's freaking sweet. The canyon's really cool.
Oh yeah, we'll show you the canyon later.
This is where we slept at. Cool stars at night. It's pretty. It's like 50 degrees, but it's warm. The sun is out. And nobody is in sight.
Yay! Yay, cuckoo!
Ready to go, cuckoo?